Hawaiian Airlines World Elite MasterCard Review 2025. Worth it or leave it. You won't believe the value frequent Hawaiian Airlines travelers can get from this card. Most people get it wrong by thinking it's just another airline card. But the surprising truth is that it combines rewards, perks, and travel protections in a compelling way. The card earns 3 miles per dollar on Hawaiian Airlines purchases, 2 miles at gas stations, grocery stores, and restaurants, and 1 mile on everything else. It offers an elevated welcome bonus for new cardholders and no foreign transaction fees. Benefits include free checked bags, priority boarding, and discounted companion tickets. You also receive travel protections like trip delay reimbursement, baggage delay coverage, and purchase protection. The downside? The annual fee is moderate, so casual travelers may not see the value. Miles are most valuable when redeemed on Hawaiian Airlines flights. Verdict: worth it for frequent Hawaiian Airlines flyers looking for perks and rewards. Leave it if you rarely fly Hawaiian Airlines or want a flat rate cashback card.